Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the imo account of yours in the desktop. So for that, open a Google browser or any other browser that you have been using and click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you need to type in imo.im and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of this. Here on the official web page, you will have the downloading option, and from there you will need to download this on your Windows. Download the Imo app for your desktop first. So here you can see all the options for Android, Windows, iOS, Mac. You click on Windows and wait for the Imo setup file to be downloaded. Once the downloading process of the file is completed, click on Open, click on OK. Now you need to install this application. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on install. Click on finish. With that, the installation of the Imo Messenger is completed. Click open that file. There's the file. Now you need to choose the country code. Choose a country and then provide the phone number. Then click on agree and continue. Now a code will be sent to the mobile device of yours with that phone number, and you need to type in that code on this text box over here. There's the verification code. Now you type in the code. You must be logging into the Imo application of yours in your phone device to view that login verification code from the Windows. Click on continue. And with that, you have been logged in into the Imo account of yours in the desktop. Hope this video was useful on how to log in Imo in desktop. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.